So just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, looking like it is still chopping it up in this little range that it has formed over the past few weeks. You can see obviously we came down, we lost that previous low as support, retested as resistance with the FTX collapse, and you can see since then Verasity has come back down to a level here. Obviously we had this previous level of support as resistance here that we did draw our range high off of. We came down, we formed the low, we come back up to the high with that fundamental news for Verasity, and now looking like we are just continuing to trickle to the downside and retrace. People continuing to sell or short the market, as it were, for Verasity, looking like it's just trickling to the downside still. On the hourly time frame, you can see we've come into a bit of a range looking like this. Resistance, support, 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 resistance, resistance, and now looking like we're probably, with Bitcoin looking quite bearish today, dragging the whole market down, probably coming back down to this low level again, down at around, what is that 1/4 of a cent level, at the bottom of the range yet again. Really not that much to say about Verasity over the past few days. It has just been going sideways, low volume and interest in the markets in general, slowly trickling to the downside as usual, waiting really for a sign in the market of some clear bullishness before these altcoins do start to move to the upside again. But you can clearly see, as we will always state and continue to say, there are some massive bullish divergences forming on the daily time frame here. You can see the price action continuing to fall to the downside, making lower lows, but the RSI here clearly making higher highs, especially from here to here, and down from here to here. You can see these huge divergences that we are seeing. Also with the MACD, very big swing of momentum here. We haven't really had any bearish momentum since we were back up in this area here. You can see the MACD has been flipped bullish on the daily for a good while now, and you'd probably expect that over the next few months that we'll probably see a decent reversal for Verasity off these lows if we do start to see a bit of bullishness in the market. So very simply, chopping sideways right now, waiting to see what happens next. So we're in this range right now, so realistically we're probably going to come down, test this low. But if we're looking for a target to the upside, then we will be looking for this high again at around that 1/3 of a cent level.